Hi, I'm Tonya Kershner with OSA Tropical Properties. Today, I'd like to invite you on a tour of my latest exclusive listing. This home is direct beachfront with a sweeping ocean view, surrounded by jungle. It's got 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and I can't wait to show you around. Nestled directly on the beachfront, this grand estate offers sweeping, uninterrupted ocean views that stretch as far as the eye can see, providing a constant reminder of nature's beauty and power. The gentle ocean breezes and soothing sounds of the jungle create a peaceful, tranquil atmosphere that envelops the property. This home has been thoughtfully designed to enhance your lifestyle and connect you with the beauty of nature. With timeless European influences and meticulous craftsmanship throughout, this elegant home features 4 spacious bedrooms and 4 luxurious baths, each designed to offer both comfort and refinement. The home's design allows for seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor living, with several balconies overlooking the ocean, perfect for savoring every moment of the view. Surrounded by lush, protected jungle on untouched green space that ensures your privacy and serenity, this property is an extraordinary retreat. The protective green space surrounding the estate guarantees that your oceanfront view will never be obstructed, offering a sense of seclusion and tranquility. The estate sits on a solidly built, ground-level structure crafted to last, providing both strength and stability in this incredible location. With 6 distinct outdoor spaces, each offering a unique perspective of the surrounding natural beauty, the property invites you to explore and enjoy every corner. Whether you're relaxing by the saltwater pool, gathered around the fire pit, or cooking up a feast in the barbecue, there's always a perfect spot to unwind and take in the gorgeous view. For those seeking ultimate tranquility, there is a dedicated yoga deck to provide a peaceful sanctuary to practice, meditate, or simply enjoy the breeze with the ocean as your backdrop. Every detail of this estate has been meticulously curated to offer the ultimate in luxury and comfort. There are little surprises at every turn, from the custom finishes to the seamless integration of nature into the design. This is a rare opportunity to own something truly special, an irreplaceable beachfront sanctuary where every aspect of the home is designed to elevate your lifestyle. This estate is unlike anything else available in Costa Rica, offering a once-in-a-lifetime chance to own a piece of paradise. Hey, again, I'm Tonya Kershner with OSA Tropical Properties. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me today. If you want more information about this house, check out the description under the video. I look forward to hearing from you.